Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Thanks for liking, thanks for watching our videos, thanks for sharing them, and thanks for commenting. But if you are yet to subscribe to our YouTube channel, please do so by clicking on the subscribe button as well as the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever we post a new video. So today I want to talk about ways in which we can prevent breast cancer. Like, my ladies, come closer. Breast cancer here, breast cancer there. It is now getting rampant. Like, a lot of people are now experiencing this condition, breast cancer. What do we mean by breast cancer? Breast cancer is when you have abnormal growth of some cells or tumors in your breast, making them cancerous. It will affect your body, and when they are not treated, it can generate from one part of the body to another. It can affect other parts of your body. It could be one of your breasts that is affected, but if it is not treated, it will affect the other part of your breast. So what are the things you see to make you feel like you are at risk of this condition, this cancer? When you are not breastfeeding, but your breast is bringing out fluid, especially milky fluids, it is a no. Ensure you see your doctor. When you are feeling, you are feeling some kind of lumps in your breast, you need to see your doctor, because those lumps can be cancerous, can lead to cancer, because it could just be not small lumps, and with time it will start growing. It will go out of hand and it will be cancerous at the end of the day. So please ensure that you carry out self breast examination. If you don't know about this, you need to go and search about it. Self breast examination, that is, you examine your breast yourself. Yes, you examine your breast yourself to ensure that there is no lumps, there is no fluids coming out, there is no rashes or some kind of skin infections on your breast. So please do so. Then what are the ways in which we can prevent breast cancer? Number one is avoid smoking. Quit if you are smoking. Avoid smoking. If you are not smoking, avoid it totally. Another one is that you should limit or avoid alcohol. Limit or avoid alcohol. Those are the ways in which you can prevent breast cancer. Another ways is breastfeed. If you are not breastfeeding or you don't have a child to breastfeed, you can as well massage your breast from time to time, or you tell your spouse, your partner, to help you massage your breast. It helps a lot. It prevents cancer. Breastfeeding prevents cancer. It reduces the risk of you having this condition, and also when your breast is being massaged by yourself or by your man, it helps reduce your risk of getting this disease or this condition, breast cancer. Another way is what you ensure you take adequate diet. It helps a lot. When you are eating enough adequate diet, it will help prevent these cells from growing out of normal. It will help prevent the cells from being abnormal, and they are going to be normal. So control your weight. Yes, do not be obese or overweight. Sure, you go for regular medical checkup. Check yourself up. If you cannot carry out this self breast examination, ask for it. Ask around. Ask on Google. Search for it, and ensure you do this from time to time. Go for screening, regular checkup. You'll be able to detect that there is something wrong, and there will be adequate. There will be prompt care. There will be early detection and early care given to it before it go out of hand, before it becomes complicated. So early detection, that's as a result of you going for regular medical checkup. Another thing to prevent breast cancer is be physically active. When you're active physically, you're not just sitting down in a place all day. You are being active, doing one thing or the other. You carry out exercise. It will help prevent this condition, breast cancer. If you have watched our videos, if you are yet to watch this video, obesity and overweight, that I have done before, please, you need to go and watch it again, because in that video it states that obesity can lead to some cancers, and one of the cancers is breast cancer. So like I said earlier, that you need to check your weight. Control your weight if you are being obese. So if you are being obese, you are at risk of getting this condition, breast cancer. So be physically active so all those fats can be you can be free from all these fats. You can be free from all this and avoid exposure to radiation. Taking your phone, putting your phone on your chest. You're always on your phone. There is radiation coming from your phone. So avoid exposure to radiation. Avoid exposure to, and also there are some ladies that they're always on bra, all the time. Please free this thing, free your breast. When you go to work during the day, you can put it on, but when you come back from work, I don't see any reason why you should be putting on bra in your own home. So free your breast, let it be free, let it have a fresh air, like I said. So these are the ways in which you can prevent yourself from breast cancer. Like I said, that timely diagnosis saves. Timely diagnosis save lives. When you diagnose yourself, early diagnosis save lives. When you diagnose yourself earlier, you'll be able to carry out the normal thing you need to do. There's minor surgeries in which they can remove these lumps from the breast. If you have lumps from the breast, it's not the end of life. They can remove lumps from the breast, but if these lumps are not being removed, it can be cancerous. It can lead to cancer at the end of the day. So please ensure you carry out self breast examination from time to time. Screen yourself and avoid exposure to radiation. Thank you and have a lovely day. You can send a comment to us. You can ask questions if you are confused or anything. Thank you and have a lovely day.